This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage it in the hole in the underside of the bonnet. The air filter housing is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. The filter cover is secured by screws or clips around the edge. Undo the screws or release the clips and lift the cover a little. Remove the filter element from the housing. Wipe clean the housing and remove any debris. Maneuver the new filter element into the housing with the rubber seal uppermost. Refit the screws and tighten them securely, or close the clips as applicable. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place. Lower the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.